how to copy or duplicate a website. So this can happen if you want to, let's say, copy a design, or you like the particular website and you want to copy it and use it as an inspiration, and you also want to edit the website. Okay, so you make it your own design. So the first thing you are going to do is that you are going to actually click new design file. Okay, and then you are going to go to your resources, and you're gonna click on resources, and you're gonna write down this here. You're gonna write down HTML to design. So you're gonna say HTML to design, and this should pop up, and you're gonna click run, and you're going to run the actual plugin. This can take a couple of minutes. Okay, so you have this. So what you can do now, you can copy any URL, and I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to add my own URL from the website. Okay, it's called Luxury Time. Okay, so I'm going to click import. And you're going to have to wait for it to actually import the entire website. Okay, I think it's almost done. Okay, so it's done importing. So if you want to import another page, you can always click this option here and import another page. I'm okay with the page you have imported, and if you want to download fonts, you can also download the font. So I'm going to exit this, and I'm going to go to my design. So this is my Figma design. And I can also edit the design. So this is the website that I've duplicated. Okay, so if I want to, let's say, edit this, I can always edit this. We have the design, we have the prototype, and we have the inspect option. So if I want to copy the properties, I can always copy the properties. And we have the CSS written here, we have the prototype, we have the design. So this is an actual image. There is the image over here. Okay, so you can also have